Why did it just fire off
I
random?
don't know. I was about to turn the key off.
No
Throwing going.
Dude, I know.